here's how to fix Fallout 4 if it's stuck on the loading screen. If Vault Boy spins and it never loads, and you're just stuck on the infinite loading screen, head on over to Steam, right-click Fallout 4, then select Properties, then Installed Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's finished, Steam will report that the files were validated, and it'll re-download any missing files. If that doesn't work, launch Vanilla with no mods. From Steam, launch Fallout 4 directly from Steam by hitting the play button, not Vortex or MO2. If the save loads, a mod or F4SE version mismatch is the cause. If that didn't work, go to the search box at the bottom, then type NVIDIA Control Panel. Select that. Then once this opens up, on the left-hand side, select Manage 3D Settings. Then at the top, select Program Settings. Then for Select the Program to Customize, click Add. Then in the bottom right, select Browse. This PC, C, Program Files 86. Then scroll down and select Steam. Then Steam Apps. Then Common. Then Fallout 4. Then select Fallout 4.exe. Now if you scroll down, for max frame rate, set this to on, then set it to 60. Then select OK. In the bottom right, select Apply. Now if you scroll down again, vertical sync, set this to on. Then Apply. Now if you go to your documents on the left, then My Games, then Fallout 4, right-click Fallout 4.ini, open with Notepad, press Ctrl F. Now right below the display section for iPresentInterval equal 1, change this to 0. Then select File, then Save. And that's how to fix your Fallout 4 if it was stuck on a loading screen. If this helped, let me know down below.